Cooking with the Best. Connor Smith. Today we're going to be making a banana dog. First ingredient is a banana. Second ingredient, a loaf of bread. Third and fourth ingredient, PB and J. Put the bread in the toaster. While the bread is toasting, peel the banana. Banana peeled. The bread is nice and toasty, so place the bread on the plate. Put the banana in the bread this way. Then close the bread. Or like this way. And close the bread. Oh. Now cut off the ends and place them on the side for beautiful plating. The butter knife. Get some peanut butter. Place it on the banana this way. Make it look fancy. Perfecto. With the knife again, get some jelly. And put it on like this. And if you want to, spread it on the side a little bit, so you have a taste. Now once you close the bread, clean up the plate a little bit. Get these crumbs off so it looks fancy. So, let's do that. Fishka! Very nice. Finish the plating technique. Just get a little bit of peanut butter and slide. Have it look beautiful. And then up here, get some of this peanut butter and slide. Make it look beautiful. That is the banana dog.